Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef istitu. First, prepare your beef by cutting 2 pounds of stewing beef into 1-inch cubes. Season these pieces generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium-high heat. Sear the beef in batches until it's beautifully browned on all sides, creating a rich base of flavor for your istitu. After searing, remove the beef and add 1 large chopped onion to the pot, cooking until softened. Then, stir in 3 cloves of minced garlic for about 1 minute until fragrant. Pour in 1 can of diced tomatoes and 2 cups of rich beef broth, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of curry powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric, mixing well to combine these aromatic spices. Now, return the seared beef to the pot, ensuring it's submerged in the flavorful liquid. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it cook for 1.5 to 2 hours. This slow simmer allows the beef to become incredibly tender. In the last 20 minutes, stir in 2 cups of chopped potatoes and 1 cup of carrots, cooking until they are fork tender. To finish your delicious beef istitu, stir in 1/2 cup of creamy coconut milk, which adds a wonderful richness and balances the flavors. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed, ensuring it's perfect for your palate. Serve this hearty istitu hot, perhaps with some rice or crusty bread. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.